Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now today we're going to be continuing into our series of bad dealer videos from TikTok. The one I present to you today is not so much of a bad dealership, it's a bad experience. However, as we go a little more in depth, you will see for yourself and then you can make the assessment as we go along. To all my new subscribers, I want to say a big thank you and I really appreciate you coming along this journey with me. Now, without further ado, let's go right into this video.
So recently, my daughter and I bought newer Corollas. They gave us this option of having Spartan, which is a GPS tracking device put in your car. They didn't say much about it, but she said yes. I said no. You know, this device is $1,000 to have it installed. I'm sitting here looking at my car, and I'm like, this looks awfully funny. Huh. This is not a normal OBD2 plug. This is a Spartan device installed, which is a GPS that they plug into your OBD2. So, if they're just going to install this in every vehicle, why are they charging some people $1,000 for this and others this? A thief is going to see this. That's not going to stop them from stealing your car.
Now she mentioned there that the GPS she pulled out was that of a Spartan GPS tracking device. And if you should go to Amazon, you'll see them listed here for $128, $159, $139. As you go on, there are different prices that varies based on the brand that is there. And now she mentioned that you can have them installed for over $1,000. Now for $1,000, you should be getting something installed looking like this, or something looking like this. If you should go back to that video and look for yourself, she did mention the name of that dealership in which she got the car. And I had the privilege of going to their website to look at their reviews to see exactly what type of a dealer are they. So now let me read some of the reviews that they actually got in recent times. Now this one says, I set an appointment for the 30,000 mile service on our Toyota and everything was handled to perfection. Another one says, what I was told to expect when I bought my car and what I experienced was two very different things. Went in for an oil change, pulled in and was greeted before getting out of my car. Checked in and they were done in less than 30 minutes. Great service overall. This one has 5 stars. Now this one says, Rob Silva is a great employee. Much appreciate all his help getting my oil change done. He strongly suggested I get appointments and it really has helped me go through very quickly. Another one has 5 stars. Service was quick and service attendant was courteous and efficient. Mind you, they have a 4.6 star rating with over 1,952 reviews so far. And the list goes on and the myriad of positive reviews coming in for this particular dealership. Every now and then we do have one bad experience that slipped through the cracks. And mind you, we're not all that perfect. But it is always great to see a dealership who set out to do what they claim to do in providing excellent customer service. And the customer feedback is also a positive one. Please let me know what your thoughts are by leaving your comments below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so, and I will really appreciate that. Until next time.